is a non-for-profit, non-governmental organization, and we were founded in 2005. And SEEDS is basically we, the people, we make SEEDS, and basically what we try to do is to try to bring people from different backgrounds, like from different countries, from different cultures, from different ages, from different customs, to bring them together so they live and work together on different issues. And our goal is that they learn, grow, and somehow that we plant a little bit of a little seed in everybody. Dream or our goal is that by organizing these environmental awareness camps, that we can affect the way people behave, the way people think, the way people run their daily lives. But of course, we are not trying to tell anybody this is the way you should behave or this is the way that things are done right. This is also, we are learning a lot from the international participants. There are amazing projects around the world that are very positive for the environment. And it is true, in Iceland there are some good successful stories, some projects that are very interesting and are very good for the environment, but there is also a lot to do in Iceland, a lot to learn. And I think we can also learn a lot from other countries about some amazing projects that they do. So it's more about sharing and learning together. So I am sure our leaders and we learned also a lot from the input that some of the volunteers bring from their countries or their experience. I just want to say thank you to all of our volunteers, long-term volunteers and also short-term volunteers that come and support our projects. Without their engagement, without their active participation, we would not be able to run our program, we will not be able to be where we are now. So I think this is a message of gratitude to all the volunteers that have been coming to SEEDS in the last 15 years and have just managed to get us going, running, and making us where we are now, taking us where we are now. So I think it's really important this, because you asked me about the volunteers as well, like how do we manage to run this with volunteers only. And I think this is also very empowering, because volunteers come here and they have so much energy, they have so much motivation, and that's what keeps also the ball rolling. You can see that Seeds provides the place, the time, the space, the opportunity for many people from around the world to grow, learn, do things, have a fun experience, make friends, experience Iceland. So I think this combination is very it's a very positive. The outcome is usually very good in our